Hey y'all, Aesthetic Femme here, and I am back with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and of course if you are not new, welcome back, child. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a braid out on my hair. My hair is washed. I was only able to retwist the first half because I ran out of foam. This is the foam that I use. It's from Isoplus. It's the Natural Remedy Tea Tree Foaming Wrap Set Lotion, and I love it. It smells amazing. Basically, this is right up underneath Design Essentials avocado foam, and then it'll be tropical roots. If you look back in any of my previous videos, I believe I mentioned that foam in one of the previous videos. Well, this tops that because this actually smells good. So I twisted the first half of my hair. I'm gonna twist the other half most likely tomorrow when I go to the hair store to get some more foam, child. But I still wanted to do a braid out because my hair is actually still damp, so the braid out can still work. Just as long as the front is maintained, I feel okay with that. Let's just hop right into the video because it is pretty late at night. It's like 1:30 in the morning, maybe 1:40, child. So I'm ready to go to bed, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys since I'm just trying to create some content for y'all. So I'm gonna do the braids on me, and then I'll show you guys the results in a few days, I guess, child. I don't know how long you're supposed to keep this in, like a day or two. Maybe like a few days, I'll show y'all how to braid out with, child.